Good morning, everybody. It's me. Too early. What time is it? Oh, almost 8 o'clock in the morning. That's still too early. Way too early. Even the bird's up. Let's see if I can get her in here. There she is. Oh, so what do we got going on today? Really not a whole lot. Still waiting on my crankshaft for the bug. Yep. Gotta get that coffee in. Got the heads put together. And the rocker arms, they're just stock rocker arms. Stock heads for the engine with bigger valves. And all I'm waiting on right now is a crank. And it's coming from Australia, which they have better parts to get over there. It's a hardened crank. Let's see. Please excuse the garage, it's a mess right now. Usually I have it looking pretty good. Let me see if I can turn this. Can I turn this around? I don't think I can. How do you do this? No? Alright. Well, this is the garage, it's a mess. See, all my helmets fell down. I had them hanging up. Here's the Crosley. And the bikes. And here's the Battle Bug. Trying to get it put together. Missing engine. Alright. Part of it sitting over here. Got the header exhaust. Got those painted. And every other nut and bolt that goes. Let's see. It's cold. It's like 19 degrees. The lights don't want to work. Got everything poured out and ready to go just about. If I can just remember how it goes back together. That'll be something else, wouldn't it? I got all the tools ready to go. That should be over here, but I had to pull it out of the way to get the bike out. Guess what? I'm going back in. It's kind of cold. So that's where we're at right now. Waiting on the crankshaft to put in the engine, then the engine is going to be put together. Ooh. Typically the engine is a 50 horsepower engine, and this one's going to be this one's going to be 105 horsepower. So it's going to be a little bit more zippier, especially in a really light Volkswagen. And the parts are going to be stronger. I can go down the highway if I'm highway driving, and the stock soft crank won't bend or crack or anything. The hardened crankshaft, everything's going to be a stronger engine, so it can keep up with regular traffic. So that's where I am right about now. And it's just a waiting game for the last part to come in. Good seeing y'all. Big love and hugs to you.